What is going on, guys? Welcome to a PlayStation 5 video, man. You guys see what we have right here. PlayStation 5 controller right here, man. I am so hyped to unbox this thing. And yeah, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I still haven't got my PlayStation 5. I haven't been able to pre-order it, but we do have the PlayStation 5 controller, and I wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys. We will be having the Xbox Series X and S unboxing video here as well on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on how these come in. We will be having them very soon, man. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell as well. Let's get started right into it, and let's just jump on it. I can't wait to open this and just see the PlayStation 5 controller for the first time, guys. So the box, nothing special with the box. I mean, it is a little special. Like, the texture of this box is like, I can't even explain it. It's it doesn't feel like just regular, you know, like little plastic. It doesn't feel like regular stuff like on this, like this plastic that it comes in usually, like, you know, items that come in. It feels like, I don't know, like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like that, what am I trying to think? You know, I don't know what I'm trying to say. The type of material where it's just like, it's plastic, but it's like, I don't know exactly what the word that I'm looking for, guys. But that's that, you know what I'm saying? It's not regular, just cardboard on it. You know, the side of it isn't special. And then right here, it just says PlayStation 5 hardware. And then the back, it says heighten your senses. It says heighten your senses. Discover a deeper, highly immersive gaming experience that brings the action to life in palm of your hands. Haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, signature comfort. And then you guys see on the front here at the bottom, it just has does it have the serial number? No, it just has more PlayStation info. And then on the front, it actually has the you know, PlayStation, and then the PlayStation logo, Sony, for PS5, Dualsense wireless controller. Now, guys, let's go ahead and open this. I know my box cutter is right here. Here's my box cutter right here, man. This thing is awesome. Like, it opens from both sides, man. This thing is awesome. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But let's go ahead and open it, and you guys can see right here, man. Brand new tape. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing right open. Make sure I don't like damage the damn packaging with this sharp thing. It's like a claw, but. Alright, so as soon as you open this packaging, guys, you know, as soon as you take this tape off, the first thing you guys are going to see here, did I take this thing off right? I don't want to, like, damage this packaging all the way, you know what I'm saying? Just taped it up a little good. Alright, there we go. Sony made sure they taped it up real good, honestly. But, you know, first things first, as soon as we open this packaging, the first thing we're gonna go ahead and see is you know, let's take this, comes off. I guess it came off. That's all we see right here. Nothing special, no PlayStation logo or nothing, just this special pull out box so we can pull it out from. And then once we pull it out, guys, you guys will see right here, nothing in the box. You know, that's it for the box. I'm gonna keep this box though for right now. You know, PlayStation 5. And I just can't wait to just see this thing and just feel it in my hand. So we open this little box right here, and then once you open this little box, there is the PlayStation right here with the little plastic. There's nothing else in this box, I believe. It doesn't bring a charger or nothing. The other one didn't bring a charger, so, you know, I wasn't expecting a charger, but it does bring your little, you know, your little guidelines, your little manual and stuff like that nobody reads, honestly. And then once we, you know, we unwrap this, guys, here it is, the Dualsense, man, the PS5 controller, and wow, this thing feels crazy in my hands, guys. You know, we can compare it right here side by side with the PS4 controller. It is way bigger, and then I have my Xbox controller around here somewhere. I don't know where. Alright, guys, so my bad. So, guys, this is in comparison with the Xbox One controller. This thing is about the size of the Xbox One controller. If you guys put them like this, you guys can see this is actually the same. It's probably a teeny bit smaller than it. And just in my hands, it feels a lot like the Xbox One controller, honestly. It feels like a lot like the Xbox One controller. The only difference is the back of it feels a little different, you know. This back on it right here feels a way different. than the just the regular Xbox, guys. But then compared to the PlayStation 4 controller, it is a little bigger as well, and it feels a lot different. It feels a lot bigger just in your hand. But this thing is looking, man, real good, man. I haven't even got a good glimpse of it. So guys, the controls right here are clear. Let's see if you guys can get that. It's clear buttons on this as well. And then we have the D-pad right here. Is feels a lot harder than the PS4 one. Feels a lot harder than the PS4 one. A lot more like sturdier. This one feels a little more like easier to push it in. This one feels a lot more just like firm. Might be that the control is new. It might be that one's used. The start button feels a little harder. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it might be that the controller is just new. If like these buttons feel a lot more harder to press down on. These. Yeah, just every just button feels a lot more harder to press down on. It might be that the control has no wear to it. It's brand new. The Joy-Cons, not much of a difference. It does feel a lot like the Xbox One controller though, guys. Like if I put the Xbox One controller in my hands, it feels a lot like the Xbox One controller compared to the PS5. Like that's the best explanation that honestly it feels like. But then it has this weird feeling to it, like at the bottom it feels a lot different here at the bottom, but just the shape of it feels a lot like the Xbox controller. And then we have this right here. I'm not sure what this button is for, but you can press down on that. The sticks feel really good. I like the way the sticks feel, really sturdy. And then if we press this, it might turn on. Yeah, it will. It actually does turn on right there. You guys can see the light of it. So that is the new light of the PlayStation 5 controller. Looks really nice. Looks really clean. Honestly, I love it. Instead of having the lights on this right here, it has it on there. I wish they would have kept this light though. I love this light on the PlayStation 4. I really did love this feature on it, that light. But I guess it's just gonna, it'll just be like, it'll just be like this part lit up. But I love that design for the PlayStation 4 controller. Honestly, if you guys want to see the back of it, this is the back of it right here. You know what I'm saying? I didn't check the back of it. Nothing special. And then I guess you charge it from the top, and it looks like it's the USB-C. The charge port looks like it's the USB-C. And if you guys want to see the Joy-Cons up close, the button up close. I love the button. I love the way the button is. Instead of the like circular, it's the actual PlayStation logo. And then what else do we have here? And then I don't know if you guys I don't know if this camera's gonna pick this up. I don't think it's gonna pick it up. I'm gonna try its best. But all through here, it's PlayStation logo, and it's like the shapes. It's the triangle, the circle, the square, the X. And I don't know if this is gonna pick it up. Like honestly, I don't know if this is gonna pick it up. It might just look white to you guys. But all through here, it's like little small what's it called? Like shapes. The only problem with that, I think, is gonna get dirty real fast, because all those little things, there's probably gonna be like dirt that's gonna get in there really easy, and it's gonna be really hard to get out. But overall, this looks really beautiful. I can't wait for the PlayStation 5, man. I still haven't got mine. I already have my Xbox S and the X. We have that pre-ordered already. I'm gonna make a video on that as soon as they come. We'll be making an unboxing video on that. But for right now, I wanted to make this unboxing on this PlayStation 5 controller and show you guys this beauty. This thing is just absolutely just gorgeous, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. I love it. I just love the way it looks. And like here it is again, compared side by side with the PlayStation 5 on PlayStation 4 controller, and front and back, sides, and it's a lot bigger than the PlayStation 4 controller. It's even heavier. It's even heavier than the PlayStation 4 controller. And then compared to the Xbox One controller, it's even heavier than the Xbox controller. But it does feel the same in like in hands. The only difference that I feel is just these little these hands, when you hold them like that, it feels a little different at the bottom. But just holding them like this in general, like I said, it feels a lot like the Xbox One controller. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. I'm really hyped to get my hands on this. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate the love. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys think about it. God bless. Catch you guys on the next one.